this is pretty much like the halfway point in the painting, and usually when you're in the halfway point, you can kind of gauge how much longer it's going to be for you to paint. And I would say we got maybe like a half an hour left, maybe 45 minutes at the most. We just have the reflections in the water a little bit. We're going to put some oranges and some yellows in the water, and then we're going to do the sun, which is just white with some white clouds in the sky, and then we're going to finish with the sailboat. So we're actually doing pretty good on time and everything, so we should be finished in time. Everyone's kind of doing their own thing. As you look around, you can see people are really kind of branching out and doing their own thing, and you want to encourage people to have their own artistic license and freedom when it comes to this stuff. You don't want to force people like a hammer over their head to like paint exactly what you're doing. I mean, if you look at my painting, it's not even exactly like the original. It's similar, but it's really hard to make it look just like the original painting. So everyone's going to have their own rendition, and you just really want to encourage people just to do whatever they want to do, because you know, you want them to have a good time and you want them to come back. So that is my little spiel for the moment. So, all right.